visa-free regime, we are poised to double our tourist arrivals.
Omurigiriria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugukwiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigiriria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubirio yaitu yonsi chinsemero ngebereneye bono onye kendegia korekanire aseke nyurukiao ekiotagete utumanye asubwango mono abwonda isi veke nambeye asesemiao enoti isano na ibere inya isatu isano nemu ibere isatu isano na isatu isano na ibere eyemo elioto akire nabasaki baito baikasuri na kubeko roboti ubwo asembeo emesa ya mangana maya ya Ndizi TV nereyo wabekire simi yao ime
really is at stake. We have come some encouraging way amid enormous challenges and significant difficulties. Our path will be easier, our journey will be faster, and our progress smoother if we all remember that the people of Kenya have interests that dictate our job descriptions and form the terms of our employment. Let us remember this always, and remember that with the new year comes our opportunity to do much more and much better. And that is why I wish every Kenyan, irrespective of their status, irrespective of their station, irrespective of where they live, a blessed, progressive, and successful 2024. Na nitarudia niseme kwa Wakenya wote, mahali popote mlipo, mwaka wa 2024 ni mwaka wa baraka. Mungu ametupatia taifa, ametupatia nchi yenye baraka nyingi, ametupatia mambo mengi. Kenya leo imepata heshima duniani kote. Kenya leo inatambulika. Ni jukumu letu kujenga taifa letu. Good people, we have a great country. It is our responsibility to make it greater. And we have a moment in history to do just that. And I'm asking all of us leaders, all of us Kenyans, to work together to move our country, the country we all love, to the next level. Thank you. I again wish each and every one of you a great year ahead, as I ask the people of Nakuru who lost some family members today, that we ask God to empathize with you as we empathize with you, that God is going to give the grace to the families that lost their loved ones today in Nakuru County, and those that did in Nyeri and a few other areas during this season. We wish them God's grace, and that God will comfort them and give them safe passage, even as we celebrate the new year. We stand with the families who have lost their loved ones. I want to say to all of us, asanteni sana. I know we will be here for a while as we wait for for midnight. Welcome to this celebration, and my very best wishes in 2024. Asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki.
Tumpongeze rais kwa makofi tena. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Rais kwa hotuba yako kwa nchi ya Kenya na kwa sisi wote. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We may take our seats. And just a guide of the rest of the evening as mentioned by His Excellency.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.